top news headlines. BJP likely to release candidate list later today. Tension could simmer in Lilong over BJP ticket. And market shocks in Info set over non-local killing. Hello, this is Pony TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 7 p.m. I'm Christina and now the news in detail. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur Pradesh will most likely to declare its first list of candidates later today. Sources said the Saffron Party has put a hold to the announcement of names of candidates as the party is sensing trouble. Besides being the most wanted party in the Salu polls, the BJP has 2 to 3 aspiring candidates in its constituency. Polls to the 60-member Manipur Legislative Assembly will be held on February 27 and March 3 in 2 phases. The BJP has not been able to unveil its candidates for the last 2-3 days as reports are doing the rounds that the party could face ticket trouble. Yet the BJP has to release the much-awaited candidate list despite the possible turbulent situation, sources inform.
Taranithoi suba Manipur Legislative Assembly gi notification thokadaba yamna nakna leiba chairakta haujiksu state asida mikhal mamangda rajniti gi ahongba maruoina party chongthok chongsin tawbagi thabak leptri MLA amasung tongan ba party singi maruoiba amasung masak naiba luchingba kaya masa masagi party thadoktuna atopa party da yawba leptri BJP की एक्टिव मेंबर ओइरंबसिंग लोइनना मिखल असिदा BJP टिकेट ता मिखल थेंगनगनी हाइना आशा चावना थमखिबा इंटेंडिंग कैंडिडेट कयासु टिकेट फंगलरोय खंगबदगी अतोप्पा पार्टी सिंगदा चोंगसिनरी तमिलोंगदगी BJP MLA सैमुअल जेंदाइसु ngasi नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी NPP दा यावरगनी हाइरी जिंदायसी इंग्लिसिंग अनिगा तारा तरेट की मणिपुर असेंबली मिखलदा BJP की टिकेट ता मिरेप ओइदुना माइ
ngasi akoina leijari basi ambal sanglel hayaga khangnariba nitaifa chu thekta leiba Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ki office mamang muktadani lakaduriba taragani thoi suba vidhan sabha election da mirep oigadaba tongan ba party singi han ba face ki ticket law thoki baga iroina na Bharatiya Janata Party ki su han ba tangka ki ticket su soishadana law thokagani hayaga thajaba du leijare karam matamda law thokadagi hayaga du mukti kangmungamdri Sungsoi-soidana tiket hek law thokoga miyam da bok update tawjarake camera person jugumani galoina na awdamjariba masanda thoksom
BJP Lilong Mandal is lobbying for Anwar Hassan seeking BJP ticket for the engineer-turned-expiring candidate. Tension will simmer in Lilong in case BJP ticket is not given to Anwar Hassan. BJP Lilong Mandal President MD Ahmad said on Saturday, the state and national BJP leaders should give party ticket to Anwar Hassan or else Lilong will be on boil. MD Ahmad told reporters at the Mandal office in Lilong. He also warned that BJP Lilong Mandal will resign in March and BJP will be completely eliminated from Lilong if the demand is not fulfilled. He said Lilong BJP Mandal is not familiar with MLA Y. Antas Khan and that he should not be given BJP ticket.
Lakadori by election sida party na karigumba Muhammad Anwar Hussain the ticket pida dana party ki against the party ki mayok to wangang ba any purapa ticket the vote PBU haibadum by MLA to the piraklagati 30 Lilong Mandal na madu yabang amoy amasung party sina sagacharak liba Muhammad Anwar Hussain da ticket piraklagati sama kagani haibagi Lilong Kendra की polling station निपु मरेगी बूथ कमिटी सिंह पेज इंचार्ज सिंह मोर्चा पुनमक मोर्चा मंगा लेजै मोर्चा पुनमक अदुगा लोटस क्लब महिला कमल क्लब महिला की सुगुम्बा अखोइगी अचौबा मिलिसिंग कुनमरी मंगाना सपोर्ट तौबा मियोइसिंग असे पार्टी असिदगी पुनमक रिजाइन तौरगा अखोइ पार्टी असि लिलोंगदगी मरु फंगना मुथतकनी.
Many shops in Infal, including Thangal Bazaar, were shut by non-locals to register a protest against the killing of a non-Manipuri at Moising in Thoubal district yesterday. Asutosh Prasad was mysteriously found dead. Several deep cut marks were found in his body. The protesters demand that the Manipur government initiate action to book the culprits quickly and deliver justice to the deceased and his family.
बिहार तक थबक सुब लापने नको सर अखोई बिहार तक थबक सुब लापती अखोईदा आदा कनो हाथपक फुटप तोबकीना मीना थांग थिंगिरा हाथ केरा अदुना अदु हाथ पनेना अखोई सु म्याम सिदा लाइसे अदु की दमक दने सर अखोई सु खरा रिक्वेस्ट तोबियो अदु तोनो दो मिनी दुकान फंबा मीना पूरा का चले अदु था हाथ करा का थामग्रे अदुना अखोई सु खरा नुंगाइत्रे अखोई सु इंडिया के मीना सर हजुर अखोई सु इंडिया के मीना खरा कृपा तोबियो को अखोई सु अदुमी हाथ पा कनानो अमता थिबियो अदु का खरा अखोई की कइनो अमता जजमेंट तोबियो प्रोजेक्ट तामेबा अदु.
Samuel Jendai, BJP MLA from Tamenglong, has clarified that has no plan to switch side to National People's Party NPP. Jendai released a video in this regard on Saturday. His clarification comes in the wake of reports here on some local TV channels that he was leaving the Saffron Party to join NPP. Previously, Jendai was a member of Manipur State Congress Party, Federal Party of Manipur, and Naga People's Front.
In today's local TV channel, known as Elite TV channels, as well as Tom TV channel, it is being circulated that I will be joining NPP today itself, which is totally against my will. Therefore, through this channel, I would like to request all the people to understand that it is not my own creation, it is not my own sweet will that what they predict of joining in the NPP. Therefore, let me be clear that I have not decided to enter into any political party as long as the list of the Bharatiya Janata Party has not been declared. So I would like to once again reiterate and request the TV channel to announce to the people of Manipur that I am still the Bharatiya Janata Party member.
With everyone eagerly waiting for the declaration of BJP's first list of candidates, many BJP supporters of Jiribam constituency expressed their views and opinions on BJP ticket. They appealed to the BJP national leaders to offer BJP ticket to a deserving intending candidates of Jiribam constituency who does not have any criminal record. A team of journalists assessed the public opinion.
Ate election ga mana de yam luraba tangkakni masida jirigi maraiba lep turobani aduna karigumba ticket se soidana karoi daba mi singa piba oidagadi madu diriba amda mayamna kanna honna daga su BJP ticket candidate asi mai pak pa singamgada mande ina hainingadi diriba amda jati khudingmak pu loina na jati khudingmak na yaba adugma candidate ama tharat pa pami netrega di chumnagi jati ama khapki oina miyeng yengakpa adugma candidate ama pire di diriba amse jati me amna tabanina madu jati ama khapki vote na diriba amda BJP ka ba haibase oithokte aduna sapsaba candidate ama yam chumna ticket se pibiraga di BJP se kage ni haibi asa thami
lamdam sigi yelawmi BJP haiba party sigi damak chahi kaya chupna thawai hakchang katlaga lakpa mioi singbu mirai bibagi thawong ama akhoi Manipur government gi angam thau kharadagi akhoi na uba phangi masi yamna laibak thiba thodokni ticket piba haiba sidi yam sengna mioi bagi mi edu karamba mino haiba magi chap chaba magi biography ticket kadabani maram chai chadi haiba yam kupna naina bigadabani ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯌꯦꯠꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯆꯠ ꯊꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯦꯟꯇꯛꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯈꯣꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯀꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯔꯚꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯚꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯒꯦ
ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯖꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ 24/7 ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯖꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯩ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯩ ꯈꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ BJP ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯀꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯈꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ
ꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯕꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ BJPꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯕꯥꯝꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯃꯇꯪꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ BJPꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯕꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯊꯗꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯕꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯤꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯕꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯨꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯔꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯠꯃꯥꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯗꯨꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯍꯥꯎꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯖꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯕꯨ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯕꯤꯙꯥꯟ ꯁꯚꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ 12 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯤꯔꯤꯕꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ BJPꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ BJP ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ
Ilangbam Jijumani Singh, former MLA of 38 Hianglam Assembly Constituency, and MD Abdul Nasir, former Minister of 30 Lilong Assembly Constituency, joined Janata Dal United Manipur Unit on Saturday. Manipur on Saturday reported 435 coronavirus new cases and 1 death. As per the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was 16.3%. The state's COVID tally surged to 132,581, while the death toll rose to 2038. The state COVID-19 command control room in a release said the fresh infections were detected after testing 2,615 samples in the past 24 hours. It added that 168 persons were discharged. Now let's take a short break.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anabasingi hidakapa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tobinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medline Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna pungkun mari chukna adom yumda latuna hidakapa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ke anabasing experience lairaba doctor amadi nursing tuna mating pangzari akupa marol gi damak Medline gi helpline number 9205987988 amukasu 9205987988 ta call toguna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store gi Medline app download toguna booking tobi
Welcome back. Lowroy Festival 2021 to 2022 state level began on Saturday at Waiton Maninglaikai Community Hall in Infal East District. The festival is organized by Lowroy Festival Observation Committee LFOC, President of Infal West Adhyaksa R.K. Taruni Devi Patmasri Nabakishore Manipur Rural Bank Chairman Somarendu Samal United Committee Manipur UCM President Joychandra Konthauzam and Paying Gram Panchayat Pradhan P. Surbala Devi attended the program. LFOC convener Lokendro Longzam said the main objective of this festival is to worship the Mother Earth, show gratitude to farmers and bring them to a new height.
Thoramasigi Mapung Webadi Malem Imabu Kurum Java, Aduga Lomi, Ikai Kumnava Hibasina, Kogi Mapung Weba, Timni, and I Koina Sari, but Chinjak, Hingibase, Chinjaki Mapana, Koina Hingbani, Adubu, Chinjaku Putok Piriba, Lomi Sing a CD, Koina Kariumatam the Su, Hehek Miraibagum Natawi, Aduna, Lomi si Awang Batakta, Tankachabasina, Marueba, Ekogi Pandamni, Aduga Ani Subada, Ekoesi, Saitek Cherang. Yot Mate, Tang Mate, na Kole Galo, Ubahorak Pani, Adugi Matunda, San Loeraga, Sanna, Low Si Park, Lavalo, Sing Urak Pani, Aduna Hariba San Sing Asina, Equa the PV contribution say, Angak Papang Chawi, Aduna Sukyamna, Ipai Pusings, not to Vidamba, Low Bagi, Sinpam, Vidamba Sigi Marakta, Lokta Bahibama, Low Ling, Below Peng, Banatraga Habing Bahibama, Icon Con, but the low Lokpa, Amasung, Low Loy Bahibama later me.
St. John's Catholic Church celebrated its Silver Jubilee on the theme, You Will Be My Witnesses at Namduanjang Village under Noni District on Saturday. Hosting of Jubilee flag and dedication of hall was led by Reverend Father John Sensao, Parish Priest of Awangkul. Most Reverend Dominic Lumont, D.D. Archbishop of Infal, unveiled the Jubilee monolith. Noni District DFO Napoleon attended was the chief guest of the program. Apart from releasing a souvenir, traditional song and dance and preaching of God's words were the main highlight of the event. The Department of Post Manipur Division is scheduled to roll out Core System Integration CSI on February 7, and hence all the post offices except Infal Head Post Office. Manipur will not accept any financial transactions, including booking of letters, parcels, except BNPL from January 28, 2022 to February 6 in order to settle all the financial balances. Infal Head Post Office will also be not accepting any financial transactions from February 5 to 6 for the same purpose. The delivery of speed post articles and other mails shall continue to work as normal during the said period. It was informed through a press release. 17-year-old Solan Jajo from Royal Gymnasium Ukhrul is all set to represent Manipur in junior women's fitness in the upcoming Junior Mr. India to be held on February 22 to 23 in Pondicherry. She is the daughter of social worker Barnabas Jajo and Bernice Jajo, a housewife from Lacey Village. Born in a family of 4 siblings, Solan is the eldest daughter currently studying in Ellis Christian Higher Secondary School in 12th standard. Solan Jajo is the only girl from Manipur who was successful in the trial selection organized by the All Manipur Bodybuilders Association, AMBA, on January 16 at Kumanlampak in Infal. The gym has also produced 2 girls who were able to secure the top 5 at the national level. Before we wrap up, once again the top news headlines. BJP likely to release candidate list later today. Tension could simmer in Lilong over BJP ticket. And market shops in Infal shut over non-local killing. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.